Okay, I'm back here in Port Credit, cycled out here again with my live stream, out and about with yours truly, Lizzo C. And I am, oh, and this is the chicken soup, right?
Chicken noodle, yes.
Chicken noodle, thank you. Good to see you. You were here last time, right?
Yeah, when you were...
Yeah, and you changed your hair. I love it.
My daughter does my hair, so I always...
Oh, your daughter did?
Yeah, I'm her guinea pig.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. And I'm getting their special. I think it was the rainbow trout. I'll get the exact name again, but it has mango, so that sold me. And it comes with the chicken noodle soup. Comes with the garlic bread. So I am starving. And I'm going to enjoy this with the company of my life. This is my second live stream for the day. So I cycled out here for 4.5 hours or so out to Port Credit. We did a little bit more, so if you're watching this on my food channel, please go over to my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, and you can find the live replay of me cycling out to Port Credit. Here's the chicken noodle soup. It's good. Even though it's a hot day, but I don't mind. Soups. I love crackers in my soup. Can't get enough of it. Anybody else? I'll be talking to my live stream as well as the pre-record here. I find that when I'm editing, it's kind of challenging. I try to not to, but now I'm gonna start mentioning to my pre-record. I do talk to my live stream, so if I'm looking off the camera, that's because I'm talking to my live stream. So yes, I love crackers, and the classic, basic crackers. I love them. It's good. Can't go wrong with chicken noodle soup. Take your bite. Garlic bread. Nice garlic bread. I'm gonna get full. But actually, when I order fish, I never get full. But that's why this is good. What do we have here?
So it's a rainbow crusted, sesame crusted rainbow trout.
Nice, okay.
With rice and vegetable and a mango salsa.
Nice, okay. Awesome. This is the
dinner feature.
The dinner feature. Okay, awesome. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Enjoy.
All right. I'm gonna enjoy my fish dinner, rainbow trout with salsa. Sesame crusted rainbow trout. Got some salsa. So if you're visiting or if you're local, come here to Bobby's Hideaway in Port Credit. Take your bite. Okay, inside Bobby's Hideaway, their washrooms is women's and men's, but they have a theme going on. So all Bobbies, named after all famous Bobbies. Turn back now. Oh, take a picture of this. Welcome to downtown Niagara Falls. That's since 1853. Hey, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, I have 4 channels altogether. All my content coincides with each other, so be sure to check out my channels so you can see the continuation of each presentation or live streams. My main channel is Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. The next channel is Multitask with Lizzo C. Food channel is What's Cooking with Lizzo C. There I do food reviews. I will live stream at home, some baking live streams. Check that out. And my latest one is Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So check them all out. Stay connected, and thanks for watching. Bye.